Ideas. You have also heard that. Idea is the greatest tool. If you have the idea, you can achieve it. Well, I believe that until something happened, and I right now don't believe it. I do believe that ideas are important, but what more important is consistency. I have made multiple videos on consistency, but here's what I want to share in this video. One thing I want to share, very important, is not that we should be consistent. It's what idea is it. When initially I entered in the college, I find it very difficult to be productive. So I started searching on the internet, more primarily YouTube, Instagram, blogs, and reading everywhere. What is the best what is the best and top way to be more productive? Well, as you also know, I have encountered multiple things. When I have encountered multiple things, I have made a copy and written down all the things that are improving the productivity, like Pomodoro, 80-20 principle, being silent, being boredom, and multiple of the things. And after doing this much, I believe it. That there are more. And in search of this, you don't believe me. I have a copy where every tactics I have written down. But ultimately, what happened? I didn't achieve what I have to do. This is my personal review. And the biggest reason is not I am lacking the idea. Implementation. This is what everyone should remember and use. Implementation. And it is very difficult to be a person and take one idea and implement that idea. Because as a human, we crave new ideas. But what we have, we don't see. And that's what happened to me also. And I not able to focus on that a single idea long enough, and I try to shift it in a different idea. And in doing so, ultimately I'm unable to achieve a single goal which I wanted to. So that's why I'm making this video to tell you it's not idea that helps a person. It's idea plus implementation plus consistency. All combined. And even one part lack and you will far away from the goal you wanted. So, how a person should tackle it? Well, there are multiple ways to tackle it. But what I find it's best is to just pick up a single idea. Any idea you are enthusiastic about, any idea, just pick up one idea, move forward with it, and not to see right or left. Just move forward with it, like a blinder to your head, in between your head. That is what all you need. And well, that is what I also need. Because being consistent and being with one idea and thinking about that idea makes our mind shift to a different territory. And if we can't shift to a different territory, ultimately we will fail. So that's why we have to be more consistent about a single idea. And why am I emphasizing on a single idea? Why can't we use two, three, four? The same reason we got distracted. To not being distracted, we have to be in a single idea. And a small stuff we have to do, not a big stuff. Today, while watching YouTube, I encountered a very great video on it. And I think it is very important, like a neuroplasticity. If we try to change a very big chunk of our life, will kick us throughout that and will not change. So small change and by consistency, it not to be every time you have to increase 1%, but every time you have to just do it. And ultimately, that will be complete. Ultimately, that goal you are trying to achieve will be complete. And I'm trying to do it. That's why I'm unable to make video. Not because I don't have time, but because it is a big goal I have created it. And I have not taken a small decision. I directly jumped to making a video. And ultimately, that's why there is an inconsistency in my channel. You can check it. And that's why I want to improve it and try to make more videos by just small changes. Because whenever I'm trying to make video, I have to write so much script. But right now, what I have chosen an alternative way is not making that video and making smaller video that ultimately builds my consistency, and I can able to provide more videos to you and help you on your productive journey. Thank you guys.